So as I mentioned, this TE is a mahogany kit, so to get a nice flat finish, we're going to need to grain fill it and then prime. So grain filling is really the process of filling in the pores of the timber. What I prefer to use is a dedicated grain filler. Now the one I'm using in this instance is just a natural grain filler from Timbermate. It should be mixed to a fairly runny consistency, more like a glue, I guess. I've mixed that with about 20% or 20% water. You can tint grain filler as well if you like. Many people do that to accentuate the grain. So if I had a nice, like a nice spalted maple or something like that, I might want to rub some dark stain in with the grain fill and then get that right into the pores.